Welcome to another problem session. So I'm doing these days these problems from IIT JEE exams. Okay, so this joint entrance 2024 um, advanced physics paper 1. And if you like the way I solve problems, there are more you can study from this website, physicsbootcamp.org. Okay, this is out of India. All right. Okay, this problem is probably my least interesting problem of this section. So this section 1. In this section, you've given like 4 answers, and only one of them is correct. So let's see. Here it's a one-dimensional motion, just along x direction, and force is given, and which is proportional to x. Then you know it's going to be and it's negative over here, so that means it's restoring force, so it's already going to be oscillating. So if I write down this is 5 kilograms, so mass is 5 kilograms. Just forget all the units. Okay, so it's going to be 5x double dot equals to minus 20x plus 10. Now what this is testing is if you know how to solve this problem. So if you know like some variable u double dot equals to minus b square u, so you put a square here so that this will always be positive, and so this negative makes sense here. Okay, so this if you have a formula like this, an equation like this, then one would say dot is d dt for me. Okay, so this will be just a cosine bt plus b sine little bt. Okay, so and these guys can be obtained from knowing u at some times t equal to 0 and u dot at 0. So if you know, so u dot will be minus b a sine bt plus b cosine bt, and from knowing these two you'll be able to get a and b, and so that's how you solve this. So here the problem is it's not like that. There's a 10 here. Okay, so I'm going to do a couple of simple manipulation. This 5 is bothering me here, so I'm going to get this 5. That's going to be 4, and this is going to be 2. And then we already know that this is displaced x. So if I put minus 4 out, then x minus half is immediately. If I say u equals to x minus half, u double dot for those guys, u dot will be x dot and u double dot will be x double dot. So this will immediately go into u double dot equals to minus 4u, and it's just like that. So u will have to be some a cosine, and 4 is b squared, so b squared is 4, and I'm just going to take b equals to 2. I know it's going to be plus minus, but I'm just going to take 2 cosine 2t plus b sine 2t, because minus 2 is not giving a new answer. Okay, because a and b are unknown and it's going to be absorbed. That just means x is going to be u plus a half, so this is half plus that. The x dot will be minus 2a sine 2t plus 2b cosine 2t. So what it's saying is that at rest means this is equal to 0 at t equals 0 and x equal to 1 at that time. So at t equal to 0, these conditions become 1 equals to half plus a plus 0. 0 equals to 0 plus 2b. So b is 0. So if you know these problems, if you start from the initial condition at rest, in these problems b will always be 0. So that confirms this. And a is just how much it's got displaced by is minus a is equal to half. 1 minus half is half. So already know x is like that and x dot like that. So you've got x is equal to half plus half cosine 2t, and x dot equals to x dot is a is half, so minus sine 2t. You can take a derivative and you can confirm this correct. Okay, and they're saying t equals to pi over 4. So at t equals to pi over 4, this will be pi over 2. Cosine pi over 2 will be 0. So this is going to be half at t equals to pi over 4. Forget the units. And this will be minus 1 at t equals to pi over 4. Okay, so let's see which one is, but this is also momentum. So I got to multiply by mx dot, it's going to be minus 5 per momentum and position for half, the position and momentum. So this is of course not going to be, so it's only B and C, and this is not the case, this is the case. So C is the answer. Okay, so this is kind of a little algebra problem, but I think this is a very crucial problem, and if the problem was a little more interesting, this would be hidden from you somehow. But this always required that this, you know, this thing. This is a very important thing to kind of remember and know how this comes about. I don't have time to explain to you, but you can see in that whole website, there's a lot more explanation for these kind of things. Okay, so for now, I'm gonna be doing problem 5 maybe tomorrow. All right, take care, bye.